Guys, how's it going? Thanks for tuning back into another episode of the Game of Cryptos. I hope you guys are all doing well. As we can see, guys, the market has just been absolutely pumping. I know Bitcoin and your favorite altcoins have been absolutely going crazy, so congratulations to those of you that have been consistently in the market and buying to the dip. In this video, just kind of want to go over where I see the rest of the market going, and just talking about what's been going on. Guys, if we go to bitbo.io, we see that the red line is the current market, and we are basically, again, on track from, we kind of got off track back when the ETFs, the Bitcoin ETFs came out, and we originally hit our new all-time high, and then people were so bullish, and then people got extremely bearish because we saw Bitcoin go sideways for such a long time. But as you can see with this chart, if you're looking at the previous cycles, the 2021 and the 2016, 2017, we are on track for that upwards momentum. And as you can see, around the April or May time of those years, we actually kind of start to see pretty much a general peak, and then there'll be another peak later in the year in like October, November. And I do think that something like that is realistically going to play out again in this cycle. Again, nothing is guaranteed, but it's definitely a possibility. But yeah, let's get into some more stuff. So this right here, this is you guys right here, the top of the hill, and we have constantly had so much, the bear market, all the fear, the FUD, the stuff going on with FTX, Alameda, Sam Bankman-Fried. We have been buying the dips after dips after dips, and people right here, the people, the friends, the family, those that are not in the market right now, when they see you come out on top, when they see you make life-changing money, they're gonna say you were lucky. They're gonna say, oh, that was just luck. No, it was preparation. I created my own luck by doing things that other people didn't do. And this is going to be us, hopefully, at the end of this bull run. So guys, yes, we're seeing a lot of gains in the market today, but I still think that we are still very, very early. And like I said, I still think, we potentially have about a year left in this bull run. So, hang tight, guys. This visual is from, I got it from Murad, the big meme coin guy off of Twitter. And he has a visual where he's basically just showing you guys where a lot of the money in the market, the attention is eventually going to be going. How, originally you have people investing in real estate in the S&P 500. And then you got the people that, want to play it more safe with like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana when it comes to crypto. And then obviously the farther you go down, the more the risk curve. But basically what Murad has been saying, and I'm sure a lot of you in crypto have basically heard his thesis, is that eventually the attention economy, a lot of it's going to go to meme coins. And that's because retail likes memes. Retail, they can only afford meme coins, so to speak. They're not going to go and put thousands of dollars in Bitcoin and just get a 2x return. They want to get a lot of money. And the main way they're going to get that money is by putting it in meme coins. And, I see his thesis, and I really see that playing out. Again, retail is going to come, and they're going to put their money where it can, get those very, very quick returns. So it is going to be interesting to see how that plays out. As this cycle goes on, you guys have seen this visual before. Move myself out of the way here. Last bull run, the total crypto market cap reached around a $3 trillion market cap. This year, we are, this time around, potentially we could get up to about a $6 trillion market cap or more. Again, this is just like a projection, but this is just showing you like the gains we saw last bull run, we could actually see even more this bull run. And if we go to a coin market cap, if we look at the information on there, right around a $3.7 trillion. So just to get to that $6 trillion market cap, that's still a lot of money to still get into this market. And if you go and you look at some of the stable coins, there's billions of dollars in stables, still just money waiting on the sideline to get into other altcoins. So guys, I think, yes, the fear and greed is up, and eventually, yes, we're going to see Bitcoin, kind of retrace, go back down, maybe retap all-time highs again, and then go back up. But this rest of this year and into 2025, I think is going to be very, very good for those of us that are in the crypto market. So, just keep that in mind. And the most important thing to keep in mind, how to play the rest of this bull run, is to just, remember, it's based on a timeline, so to speak. You remember that chart I showed you earlier about the peaks? Well, after the elections, the market has gone up. Ever since the elections, once Trump won, market's been green. And based on those charts, we could be seeing originally those two peaks, again, one right here and here, April or March of 2025. And then again, we could see the market peak out around October or November of 2025. So again, none of this is like financial advice. Anything can happen. But if you're someone that's thinking potentially to take profits sometime, I would potentially consider maybe around the April or May of 2025 initially, and then we'll see a little bit of market dip. And then I do think we will see that blow off top towards the end of the year. Again, it's happened in the previous cycle, so it definitely could play out and happen again. And then this is just the visual right here, the yellow line, showing you those parts in the chart where, the last two cycles, they showed a run up until those times of the year and then a retracement. So just keep that in mind. But at the end of the day, I keep telling you guys, the best time to sell is when you think that you've made, life-changing money. When that number that you see in your portfolio is just too good to give up and you don't want to lose it, take profits. Again, not financial advice. Another thing to mention, in the last cycle, so this is in 2021, we saw different altcoins peak at different times. So we saw Dogecoin, Chainlink, Uniswap peak out earlier before other cryptos like Solana, Polkadot, Sandbox, Avalanche, Cardano, Polygon. It's something to keep in mind that not all your cryptos are going to run up at the same time. One can reach an all-time high, another earlier in the bull run, and the rest of the market could run, and that one could actually end up, retracing and not hitting all-time highs again. So again, that's why it's important to just really be paying attention to the market, and again, taking profit when you feel like you've made a lot of money. So, and then the last thing I will say for this video. Last bull run, the market, people were calling for 100K Bitcoin. And what ended up happening? We didn't go to 100K. We went to 69K actually. So again, this is something that's very important. This bull run, they're going to be calling for 200, 250K Bitcoin. Well, guess what? That most likely means Bitcoin might only go to 125, 100, and it's going to hit under those targets because people always start moving their goalpost of where a price can go the more the market goes up. Do not fall into that trap. And that goes to the same thing when people thought, Dogecoin is going to go to $1. Dogecoin is going to $1. Well, guess what? Last bull run, it only went to 70 something cents. It got close, but it didn't quite reach that. You don't want to get left holding the bags, guys. So again, guys, congrats to those of you that have been, well into the market and holding for this time, because a lot of you should be in the green by now. And at the time of this, Bitcoin's right around 79, 80K. We're at all-time highs. So again, guys, none of this is financial advice, but I think we are, we're at the beginning. We're at the beginning of the end. And I really think that we have, anywhere between another, 6 months to 12 months of this bull run. I think you're in that part of the market right when you start seeing that banana curve, right when you see the S curve, right when you see, price go up. This is a great time to be in the market. So hope you guys like that. Let me know in the comments, what you guys think, how do you see the rest of this bull run playing out? You know, do you think we're gonna end the bull run early, or do you think it is gonna get extended into the latter parts of 2025? Let me know, and I will catch you guys in the next video.